Hello everyone, I am Dr. Adetitun. In this video today, I'm sharing with you lessons from The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon is a book that is written by George Clason. And the first time I read that book was at Daystar Christian Center, where I went to attend one of their programs. I've heard about the book for a very long time before then, and then when I attended that program, I saw it was on sale. Very small book. It's a booklet, and I'm looking at my shelf. I have it here. I do not have it here where I'm recording at the moment, but I have the book somewhere in my library. So I bought the book immediately. I saw it and I started digesting it, and I look at the lessons stated in that book, The Richest Man in Babylon. And the first lesson we learn from that book is that you need to pay yourself first. You need to pay yourself first. Any amount of money that you make sure that you pay yourself first. In paying yourself first, what it means is that you have to have a fixed amount, no matter what happens, come rain, come shine, come anything that happens. That amount must go into your savings, and you do this every month. So if you are saving 10% every month, in a year, you are going to get equivalent of your monthly salary saved up for a year. In paying yourself first, I'm not talking about your rent, I'm not talking about your feeding, I'm not talking, it's after you pay yourself first before you talk about rent, before you talk about feeding. So all those things. So it's from this amount that you pay yourself that it will now continue to accumulate, and don't touch it. Don't touch it. You are saving it for investment, not saving it just to do anything funny with it. Now, the next thing you need to do after you have paid yourself first is to control your expenses according to the book. What this means is that you have to live within your means and you have to avoid unnecessary spending. Now, living within your means that if after paying yourself first, what remains is that you cannot make a suit. Like you can see what I'm wearing now. I'm wearing is not a complete suit. I'm wearing this. Actually, this clothes I must give credit to Mr. Kayode Arimoro. He's the one that sent it to me. He's my brother-in-law. He sent this suit to me, and they sent many other clothes to me and agbada and everything. So I appreciate you, sir. It's Otumba is a chieftaincy title holder in Osun State and is a businessman. I appreciate you for the gift of these clothes, and I look forward to when he's going to be gifting me with cars and houses. It's possible. Now, I also thank my sister. I thank her for taking care of her husband. I also thank the husband for taking care of my sister also, and I pray that their union, the devil or whatever, is not going to break it. They'll be moving on and be making more and more progress. In Jesus' name, amen. So, after you have paid yourself first, I said the next thing is you have to control your expenditure. If you don't have to cut your clothes according to your size, you make your clothes according to the material you have, according to the level of material, quantity of material you have. And that's why I was giving an example that this particular suit, I know it was bought ready-made, but I'm just giving an example. Instead of showing long sleeve suits and the material you have can also show short sleeve suits, go ahead and show your short sleeve suits and wear a short sleeve suit anywhere you are, just like I am doing now, and then nobody is going to quarrel or question you or anything that you're doing in that respect. So if you cannot sew a suit like this, then sew a waistcoat with it. If you cannot sew a waistcoat, then you can use it to make a pocket square. That's a black, makes it to make a pocket square, and then on and on you go. In fact, some people use it to make a muffler around their neck just to show the color or the material that they have. Now, after doing this, let me delve more into the controlling of expenses. If you cannot afford a 4-bedroom flat, then move to a 3-bedroom flat. If you cannot stay in a 3-bedroom flat, move to a 2-bedroom flat. If you cannot stay in a 2-bedroom, if you cannot afford 2-bedroom flat based on your income, stay in a room and parlor self-contained. If you cannot stay in a room and parlor self-contained, stay in a shared compound room and parlor. If you cannot afford that, then stay in a 1-room self-contained. If you cannot afford that, stay in 1 room shared. Make sure that you save first, you pay yourself first, then you control your expenses. If you cannot eat 3 times a day, then eat twice a day. If that is what it means, that is what you can afford. This is not going to last forever. It is for you to be able to become wealthy in the process. Now, in controlling your expenses, people talk about 3 square meal. one of my mentors have said, is 3 a square? He asked the question. 3 square means square has 4 sides, 4 equal sides. But three is a triangle, and we call it 3 square means. So let us be guided. Don't eat when some people said you should eat whether you are hungry or not. My mentor is now saying, because of the reality of things, if you want to be wealthy, eat only when you are hungry. Eat only when you are hungry. If you're not hungry, then don't eat. Then if you're hungry, you eat. Now, number 3 lesson we learn from this book, Richest Man in Babylon, is that you have to make your money work for you. The money you have been saving every month, with 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, a fixed amount up to 1 year, up to 2 years, up to 3 years, up to 4 years. Don't touch it for any reason. That is what belongs to you, which you can use for investment. Now you can make your money work for you. Invest your savings wisely to generate passive income. And I've spoken about many businesses you can do on this channel. And if you want me to help you to set up a YouTube channel that is going to be earning you some change every month, every time, from time to time, you can contact me and we shall discuss the modality. I'm going to do everything, handle everything from A to Z. Once it's monetized, it belongs to you. It is your AdSense account that you'll be going to link with the channel, and everything will be done by me on your behalf, so I can run your channel for you. If you want me to, I will start the channel and run it and get it monetized and hand it over to you. So that is going to cost you some amount, some hundreds of thousands. If you contact me, then we can discuss further. So you make your money work for you. You invest your savings wisely to generate passive income. Don't invest your savings foolishly. In that book, that particular man, he saw somebody that came to town after he had saved part of what he earned. And then he saw the man, and then he put the money with the man. And then they now asked him, this man you put money with, does he know about this thing you are talking about? He said he doesn't know about it. So that was how the money went away. But that was a lesson for him. You have to know, you yourself have to know, have some knowledge about what you want to invest in. You have to be sure the person that you want to invest with have knowledge about what he's saying. Not just that the person is just talking and telling you bullshit. Number 4 thing you need to do is to seek expert advice. Consult knowledgeable people before making financial decisions. So you consult knowledgeable people. Like I have friends that are accountants, I have friends that are lawyers, I have friends that are bankers, I have friends that are in different sectors, even health. So you consult them, and sometimes you need to pay for consultancy. So you go ahead and do this before you take financial decisions. Then number 5 lesson we learn is that you have to ensure a future income. Plan for retirement and invest in assets that will provide long-term security. So you plan for retirement, invest in assets that will provide long-term security. Assets like land, like landed property, like houses. And for your information, if you want to buy a house in Ilorin where I reside, or anywhere in Nigeria, I can also link up and assist you. But basically, in Ilorin, I'm sure, and that one is 100%. I'm on ground here. I'm going to go see everything, look at everything. And if you want to buy hostels, there are people building hostels. You can buy land and build hostels. So if people want to sell their hostel, you can get in touch with me, and then I am going to link you up with such individuals, and then we can do the footwork, legwork for you while I get back to you, and then everything gets sorted and everything is on ground. I can even help you to manage your estate. You have a real estate in London or thereabout, or you want to buy, and your fear is that, oh, if I buy, who is going to manage it for you? I'm here. You can buy real estate in different hostel areas. We have hostels in Kwasu. We have hostels in Kwara State University in Malete. We have at University of Ilorin in Tanke. There are many people looking for good hostels that they want to stay. So you can buy and renovate, or you can buy the land and build outright, and then there are many other things that you can do around that place. Now there are also polytechnics. Kwara State Polytechnic is there, and in Ilorin also at another axis. So all these places are places that you can look at and invest in. Now, number 6, after you have ensured the future income, you have to protect your wealth. Avoid risky investments and scams. This is very key. Don't allow anybody to tell you bring 100,000 today. Tomorrow you are going to get 1 million. Bring 1 naira today. Tomorrow you get 1 billion. And then you go and say, it's true. Then you say you should refer people. The more people you are referring, they are dropping. After some time, that person is going to scam all of you and run away. So protect your wealth, avoid risky investments and scams. Avoid most businesses that say very mighty returns, and you yourself cannot determine, you cannot decode where those monies are coming from. So number 7 lesson we can learn is that you have to increase your earning ability. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge by knowledge to earn more. So you have to increase your skill, increase your knowledge. Don't just stay in one place. Maybe what you are doing now, I don't know the work you are doing now. Whatever the work you are doing now, you have to increase it and become get more mastery. You are developing not for the company, you are developing for yourself, because you are you. So you are developing for yourself. So attend programs, come on YouTube channel, see different videos that talk about this. And personally, I do, so I go to some courses myself. I pay with my own money. I do online courses, I do courses offline, and I pay with my own funds. I pay with my own fund because I want to develop myself. I was telling somebody sometime, I said, this thing I'm doing, I'm not supposed to do it, but I'll do it because I have a goal, I have a vision. I have a vision. The vision I have is that I want to become valuable. I want to become very valuable. And if you check about some videos I did in recent time, I talk about how you can become more valuable. I did about 3 or 4 videos on that. So be more valuable. I get to places of appointment on time, dress fine, do, package yourself and be knowledgeable. Read books on different things, on different areas of life, so that you become valuable, and offer to volunteer and become more valuable. But when you become more valuable, this is how wealth also will be coming to you, and this is how you'll be able to do a lot of things in the process. So increase your learning. Don't just stay there and say, until when my employer come and send me for a course. No, send yourself for a course, get the certificate, hold it, and get the knowledge, and begin to apply the knowledge. In fact, go and learn customer service, go and learn sales, go and learn marketing on your own, because these are the skills that you need in life. The next thing you need to do, which is the last but not the least, is that you have to be disciplined and patient. Wealth building takes time, and it also takes consistency. So these are the 8 lessons you can learn from the book, The Richest Man in Babylon. So it was written by Judge Clason, as I've said. So be disciplined and patient. Don't rush wealth. Don't say, I want to make wealth overnight. I've seen people that go into betting, into gambling. They sell everything that they have. They first started with money they have. They get some, they lose it back. We have been on all these things. We've tried it. We've tried all these get money, get rich quick schemes. And then at the end of the day, we saw that it doesn't pay. So we leave it out. The issue is that when you accumulate gradually, you are sure that of what you are going to get in return. But if you are trying to just make it in a way that is not the right way, you are going to blame yourself for it at the end of the day. So this I'm going to stop on this video about the lessons that we learn from the book The Richest Man in Babylon. So you can be the richest man in Nigeria, you can be the richest man in Ilorin, you can be the richest man in Lagos, you can be the richest man in Port Harcourt by applying these rules. You can be the richest man in your locality, richest man in your family, just by applying these rules, and within a short time you are going to be at the very top. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, like the link of this video, and then I'm going to come to you again in the next one. If you have questions or comments for me, or you want to contact me, you can see my contact somewhere in this on this channel, or if you cannot, then you can request for it in the comment section, and I will get back to you. My name again is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online, and I teach you how to make money offline. This is the month of February, and February has started. January is gone. We are in the month of February now. 2025 is short of 1 month already. We are in the 2nd month, and the 2nd month I've already started counting. What are you counting, or what are you not going to count? Please let your life count. Take action on what you are learning from this channel, so that you can be able to have a good story to tell at the end of the day. Please, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next video you need to see now. So go ahead and watch this video. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.